I'm leaving. Hi. Hello. This route is so nostalgic because when I used to work in Quest, I used to do this. I've done this for like 4 years almost. Lab हवा भी नहीं आ रहा है मुझे. है राइट साइड. हेलो. Just mummy things.
Go on places I will soon go. So you are preparing the way for my life. Be happy.
Hi guys, I'm checking in after dinner. We watched a little bit of TV. थोड़ा सा स्टैंड अप देखा मम्मी के साथ और थोड़ा सा बातचीत किया. She gave me some ideas for vlogging. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मम्मी गई है सोने. It's 1:30 right now. I'll also be calling it a night. Tomorrow नहीं, today only. Today is my week off. So I'll be at home. Devesh is coming like I said. And yeah, that's about it. Stay tuned. Good morning guys. It is 10:30. मेरे घर पे जब भी वीक ऑफ होता है मम्मी नेवर वेक्स मी अप. शी ऑलवेज लेट्स मी स्लीप टिल लेट. तो टुडे इज़ जस्ट द सेम. शी हैज़ नॉट वोकन मी अप. मेरा वीक ऑफ है. आई एम जस्ट वोकन अप एट 10:30. लाइफ इज़ गुड. गुड मॉर्निंग. क्या बना रहे हो? ये वही वाली चाय है विद डबल अदरक. I'm gonna make what used to be my staple breakfast: 2 eggs and crazy choy. हाँ मम्मी. हाँ मम्मी. टेस्ट. ओ भाई, दिस हैज बीन माय फ्यूल. मतलब मेरे बॉडी का पेट्रोल रह चुका है ये चाय. आई एम हैविंग एग्स फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग. एंड गेस हूज इन द हाउस. दिस इज आवर मिनी फ्रिज मैग्नेट कलेक्शन. सास ने दामाद के लिए स्पेशली प्रिपेयर किया है. दामाद जी फ्रॉम सासू माँ. Mummy is ready. This sari is how many years old?
30.
Damn. Maintenance.
Fancy. This is so dark.
আচ্ছা মেয়েটা কি নিয়ে নেবো তো. এই কারটাও আমি নিয়ে যাচ্ছি. এই কারে আমি আজকে যাব বাড়ি. ঠিক আছে, থ্যাংক ইউ. নিয়ে নেবো. इसमें रायता है. थोड़ा जूमिंग कर सकते हो. Hi guys, we have left. I just said goodbye to mummy and all. हम लोगों ने बहुत यम्मी लंच खाया and we are stuffed. I am stuffed at least. I don't know about you.
I have digested my food because I'm holding this.
Leaving for where? I don't know. Wow, what was that? I had got this chocolate during my wedding. घर पे रखे हुए थे बहुत सारे chocolates. So I'm having this now. This has more of those chocolates that I was telling you all about. एक तो ये है kunafa flavor, and then there's a lot of these are different flavors. Hi guys, I took a 2-hour nap and now we are going to get dinner for ourselves.
Today we had thought, today we thought we'll go out, like
Go out and eat.
go out and have dinner, but it's raining right now. मतलब अभी थोड़ा सा कम हुआ है, so we are just quickly going now only and getting whatever we need. आसपास से कुछ ले आएंगे.
Babe, there's something over here. Baby, there's something over here. Ew. Thank you, uncle. Thank you.
I think that is ours.
Cheese chili toast from
आना
Nick.
है कि पैक ले
Pack.
जाना है मुझे और कुछ
वाई बोला था, चीज वाई.
और डबल चीज वाली
हाँ,
या
बस.
डबल चीज 4000 रुपया कर देना ना
Okay. Netflix and chill.
प्राइम वीडियो एंड
Oh yeah. Lol. Now I'm gonna have this, and this is addictive. This reminds me of my childhood, school days. Good morning, everyone. It is the next day. Yesterday was my week off. कल मैंने vlog complete नहीं किया था because I mean it was intentional only because I wanted to kind of combine both the days and put up one single vlog. I don't know, just trying different things. Today I have work at 11. It's 9 right now. And मेरे दिन की शुरुआत washroom से हुई है because yesterday was proper food coma for me. Like, I mean, I was loaded yesterday throughout the day. I'm still loaded. Unloading हुआ नहीं है अभी तक सही से मेरा. TMI. But yeah.
Another day, another Lipa Poti. It's still crazy to me that it is already August and like more than half of the year has passed already. What the actual hell? Out of all the crazy superstitions that I've heard growing up as a child,
कंघी गिरने से अपेरेंटली गेस्ट आएंगे तुम्हारे घर, मतलब मेहमान आ जाएंगे घर पे. तो I was like, इतना ज़्यादा हेयर फॉल हो रहा है ना भाई लोग, क्या ही बताओ.
I do try and avoid using heat on my hair, like especially for drying my hair. I never use a blow dryer. I always let it air dry only.
If you really know me, you would know that I had like वो मैगी वाले hair होते हैं ना, I had Maggie hair as a kid.
My curls used to start from my roots till the end. I had like tight curls.
I wish I had retained those curls and maintained my hair, but बहुत मेहनत होता है उसमें styling करने में and all. And when I was growing up, honestly, straight hair was the thing, right? To be honest, not only for the looks, but manage करने में भी काफ़ी easy होता है straight hair. When I started working and all also, it used to be a task for me to style my curly hair and make it look presentable at the same time. So I always used to go back to that loop of straightening my hair or getting some kind of treatment done. 2 or 3 years back, I had chopped off my hair completely right before going to Dubai. The night before
the day before leaving for Dubai only, एक दिन पहले ही मैंने वो करवाया था. I had completely chopped off my hair. To mainly done that because I wanted to get rid of those treated hair and just keep my natural hair on my head and then start taking care of it and let it grow that way. It took me a good 2.5 years to grow my hair to get it to this point. Now I'm happy with my hair. I'm trying to take care of it. I'm trying not to be as torturous with my hair. Nobody asked, but here it is.
हमारे लिफ्ट का काम चल रहा है. I've stepped out of the store because I've applied for a credit card. This biometric was used to kind of scan my fingerprint. इसी से सारा details आया है इधर.
डिपार्टमेंट डिटेल.
Vlogger.
Stupid.
Hey, big vlogger.
Vlog vlogger.
Hey, big vlogger.
Where are you going? I just came home and this guy is leaving.
I
What
study
is
also,
life?
I work also.
What is life?
मैं मजदूर भी हूँ, मैं स्टूडेंट भी हूँ. I am business मजदूर, not corporate मजदूर. Entrepreneurial मजदूर.
It's 10:15 right now. I'm checking in after my shower. I got back home. I took a shower, and we had a work call that I had to attend. Half an hour का एक quick call था. अभी मैं थोड़ी देर मम्मी पापा से बात करी थी बाहर. They're watching TV, so we were just talking for a bit. I am waiting for Devesh to get back from his class so that we can have dinner together. After that, you know the drill. मैं बैठ जाऊंगी editing पे. Devesh will probably practice or play FIFA. Most likely one of the two. Let's see. Meanwhile, I am editing and indulging.
बोला था ना दोनों में से एक होगा.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Do like, share and comment on this video. Thank you for watching once again. Please do subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you very soon in the next one. Bye!